Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Today is brought to you by another cold start on a beautiful sunny day here in England. And as you can hear, we've got the cold start popping off, guys. Alright guys, so these videos are to show you what it is like to own an Abarth 595 or an Abarth 500 or Abarth 695 or Fiat Abarth. Anyways guys, what is it like to own an Abarth 595? Here's one with a catback system, so there's a Toyo exhaust system on there. And the cold start is starting to drop down now into the idle. Beautiful. Alrighty guys, so earlier I was taking that video, that intro video, that was when I was leaving for work earlier this morning, so it's still the same day, still just as beautiful, and we're going to continue doing some what it sounds like to have an Abarth 595. I'm going to do some drive arounds guys, I'm going to do some, it's just me alone in the car park, so we're just going to do some little drive arounds. There she is. And I'm going to give you guys an idea of what it's like to own one of these cars with a catback system, Toyo exhaust. Let's go. What a beautiful day, oh my word. This is my favorite weather type guys. Cold and sunny is just chef's kiss. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now, we're going to get another cold start in. For those of you who missed the first one, there's going to be another one. There's so many cold starts on my page. If you watch any video, you're going to get a cold start, so you know what it sounds like, so you know what you're getting yourself into. But guys, here we go. Beautiful sunny afternoon. Let's get some footage in. If you guys can actually hear that little like tangy sound, I'm not sure if it's more visible here in person or if you can actually get it feeding through into the camera. It's definitely a little rattly sound. Anyways, Just a reminder guys, if you want that turbo flutter, if you listen back to some of those videos and that drive by, you'll hear that turbo flutter. If you're wanting that sound coming from your car, I will show you guys. There is a video I've done on this already before called 2 mods that I highly recommend you get done. But if I spin you around, this orange this red hose pipe is basically your turbo intake hose pipe. Turbo is right here, that's your whole turbo over there, and that's your air intake system. So it's coming into this hose. From the factory there's just a plastic piece that comes over here that's usually quite restricting, and this gives a lot of sound, a lot of play from the turbo that you can at least hear in the engine bay. So one mod I highly recommend you guys get done. I still need to do my air intake guys. There's a lot of things I still want to do to this car. Still looking fairly clean for a 2018. Very, very happy with it, I must be honest. Alright guys, so a very, very short video from me, but just me really messing around, because I know there's a lot of people who want to hear what the car sounds like, especially with a catback system on it and the turbo intake hose pipe. Guys, I highly recommend you get that done. Not only is it going to give your turbo a bit more airflow, a bit freer, a bit more responsive, if that makes any sense, but also in terms of sound and aesthetic, you can hear a lot more coming from the turbo, as you can hear in the videos. But yes guys, stay locked in. There are going to be more videos coming soon, probably more of me messing around in the car park, but trying to bring some fun stuff to you guys. And also it's quite nice for me to hear what my own car sounds like from an outside perspective. So stay tuned guys, we'll see you soon.